Namaste. In this episode, we will discuss the 27 or 28 nakshatras, that is constellations, and the months of the Hindi calendar. In Hindi astronomy, there was an older tradition of 28 nakshatras which were used as celestial markers in the heavens. The first astronomical text that lists them is the Vedang Jyotish. In classical Hindu scriptures like Mahabharata, Harivansh, the creation of the nakshatras is attributed to Daksh. They are personified as daughters of Daksh and as wives of Chandra, known as the moon god, who reluctantly married the 26 other nakshatras on Daksha's request, even though he was only interested to marry Rohini. In the Atharvaved, in the Shaunakya recension, a list of 27 nakshatras is given. This 27 daytime cycle has been taken to mean a particular group of stars. The relationship of the stars really has to do with the periodicity with which the moon travels over time and through space past the field of the specific stars called nakshatras or constellations. Hence, the stars are more like the numbers of a clock through which the hands of the time pass. When these are mapped into equal divisions of the ecliptic, a division of 27 portions was adopted, since that resulted in a cleaner definition of each portion. In the process, the nakshatra Abhijit was left out without a portion. However, the Abhijit nakshatra becomes important while deciding on the timing of an auspicious event, that is known as Muhurat. The Surya Siddhant concisely specifies the coordinates of the 27 nakshatras. The 27 nakshatras are Ashwini, Bharni, Kritika, Rohini, Vrikshira, Ardra, Punarvasu, Pushya, Ashlesha, Magha, Purva Faguni, Uttar Faguni, Hast, Chitra, Swati, Vishakha, Anuradha, Jyeshtha, Mula, Purva Ashad, Uttar Ashad, Shravan, Dhanishtha, Shadbhisha, Purva Bhadrapad, Uttar Bhadrapad, and Revati. And we have also discussed that there is a 28th nakshatra, that is Abhijit, which has not been provided any portion but is very important while deciding on the timing of an auspicious event known as Muhurat. We will also discuss the Vedic Hindi months. What are the names of the months according to Hindi calendar? The Hindi calendar starts with the Chaitra month, that is somewhere in March and April, and the names of the months are Chaitra, also known as Chaith, Vaisakh, Jyesht, Ashad, Shravan, Bhadrapad, Ashwin, Kartik, Agahan, Pos, also known as Poos, Magh, also known as Magshis, and Fagun. Surprisingly, you can see a correlation between the names of the nakshatras and months, like we have Chitra nakshatra and Chaitra mas, Vishakha nakshatra and Vaisakh mas, Jyeshtha nakshatra and Jyesht mas, Purva Ashad and Uttar Ashad nakshatra and Ashad mas, Shravan nakshatra and Shravan mas, Purva Bhadrapad and Uttar Bhadrapad nakshatra and Bhado mas, Ashwini nakshatra and Ashwin mas, Kritika nakshatra and Kartik mas, Pushya nakshatra and Posh mas, Magha nakshatra and Magh mas, and Purva Faguni and Uttar Faguni nakshatra and Fagun mas. If you want to know on any other topic, please leave it in the comment box so that I can come back with it. If you have liked this episode, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.